So here we are in Coba, another hotspot where there is Mayan ruins that you can actually climb all the way to the top. The adventure with my friend Jen around Mexico continued, and from Tulum we headed north towards Valladolid and stopped by in Coba. Once a thriving Mayan city, the ancient ruins of Coba now stand as a testament to the power and beauty of a long-lost civilization. As you explore its towering pyramids and lush jungle surroundings, allow yourself to be transported back in time to a world of mystery and wonder. Hola! So we just arrived and I was actually really looking forward to climb up to the top. It was like one of the ruins that you could do that, but unfortunately they roped up the ruin, so you can't do that anymore. After a 20-minute walk to the ruins, we decided to take a wild ride back. So a like for him and a like for this video. And before you go now, definitely check out Chichen Itza day and night. And also we headed to the other ruins in Palenque. And to show me some love, hit that subscribe button and stay sexy.